Throughout history, wars have reshaped the world, from swords to guns, from tanks to jets. But in 2026, warfare is evolving faster than ever before. Today, power is no longer measured only by soldiers or weapons. It is measured by intelligence, automation, and technology. This is the age of military innovation, and it is reshaping global power. Artificial intelligence has become the brain of modern warfare. AI systems now analyze vast amounts of battlefield data in real time, predicting enemy movements, identifying threats, and assisting commanders. In some cases, AI reacts faster than humans ever could. For global powers, AI is no longer optional, it is essential. Drones have changed modern warfare, but swarm drones have changed everything. Instead of one drone, hundreds operate together, communicating instantly. They can overwhelm defenses, strike multiple targets, and adapt mid-mission. Speed, coordination, and autonomy make drone swarms one of the deadliest tools of 2026. Human soldiers face fear, fatigue, and limits. Robotic soldiers do not. Military robots are now capable of patrolling, logistics, surveillance, and combat support. They reduce human casualties and extend battlefield endurance. This raises powerful questions about the future role of humans in war. Speed has always defined victory. Hypersonic weapons travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound. They are extremely difficult to detect and nearly impossible to intercept. These weapons redefine deterrence and global military balance. Space was once a frontier of exploration. Today, it is becoming a new battlefield. Satellites control communication, navigation, surveillance, and targeting. Disabling space assets can cripple entire military operations. The race for space dominance has already begun. Not all battles are fought with weapons. Cyber warfare targets power grids, communication systems, financial networks, and military infrastructure. A single cyber attack can cause chaos without firing a single shot. In the digital age, keyboards can be as powerful as missiles.
Military innovation is reshaping global power. Countries investing in advanced technology gain strategic advantage. Alliances, defense strategies, and geopolitics are being rewritten. The balance of power no longer depends only on size, but on innovation.
The future of warfare raises difficult questions. How much control should machines have? Can technology prevent wars or make them more dangerous? One thing is certain. In 2026 and beyond, technology will decide who holds power. The future of war is already here. Technology is rewriting the rules of war.